In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device in Valorant. Find and locate the Valorant directory on your computer. Then locate Valorant exe file. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK. Hope this will fix your issue. If it doesn't, search for CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Then type the following commands one by one. SC space delete space VGC. Then press Enter. Then SC space delete space VGK. Then press Enter. If your C access is denied, make sure you are running CMD as an administrator and try again. If it also doesn't help, search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Firewall. Click Change Settings at the top right. Click Allow another app. Click Browse, then navigate to Valorant directory. Select Valorant exe file and click Open. Click Add, then OK. Once you have completed these steps, restart your computer. Launch Valorant to check if the issue is fixed. That's it. Now you know how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device in Valorant. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.